Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you guys need to find the relay for the horn, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, we'll explain how we can test the relays, and also if your horn still doesn't work, we'll explain what else could be causing that. So all that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On Dodge Challenger we'll have even more. We'll be taking completely apart engines, transmission, we'll be fixing almost anything, guys. And if you have any questions or you want to see a specific video, just drop a comment below. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy any parts for your Dodge, fuses, relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. So this guy specifically, it's a 2018 Dodge Challenger that we'll be demonstrating on. We'll go ahead, open the hood. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now what do we have specifically here? Check it out. This is, guys, the relay fuse box right here. How do you open it? You have one notch here, one there. You squish towards each other, pull it out, flip it on the side, and right here you're going to have relays and fuses. You can see just like that. So what do you need to look for now here? If you guys want to see how to test the relay, it's very easy, guys. You can test all kind of relays. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to do that. It practically takes only a few minutes to find out, and you will be able to test your relays in a couple of seconds and find out if they're working or not. Something else now. Which relays for the horn? If you look right here, guys, okay, that second relay from left to right, 1, 2, that relay right here, that's the relay that you need to check. That relay is for the horn, guys. Now it could be a little bit stuck, but that's the relay right here. If you need to buy a replacement one, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get one from for a really good price and quick shipping. And if your horn still doesn't work, guys, we will have actually a special video that explains why horn does not work on Dodge Challenger, and it's going to teach you how to diagnose the problem, what causes that, and all that stuff. So check it out, it will be on our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.